Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to tell you where can you buy tickets to watch the Jake Paul vs Mike Tyson fight. But before I begin with the video, I can offer you Shopify completely for free for your first 3 days, and then you only pay $1 your first month. So if you want that, click the link in the description. So basically, if you want to watch this fight, there are two ways. So the first way is it will be exclusively on Netflix. It will have its first live combat sports, so you can watch it on Netflix. You need to have subscription for Netflix. And if you want to go to the fight, it will be on July 20th in Dallas, Texas at the AT&T Stadium. And if you want to buy tickets, go to mostvaluablepromotions.com, and when you get on this site and you sign up, you will get exclusive access to the tickets 48 hours before the public. So input your information here and you will get the information to get the tickets. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.